I'm Derek Kirby Ponsalan. I will going discuss my topic fire handling. First, what your program does. My program is a simple student record system that use file handling to store and display information. It also that user to add a student name in grade, and the data is saved permanently in a text file called student.txt. Even when the program is closed, the data remains saved because it waiting to. Second, why I chose the topic file handling. I chose file handling because it is one of the most important concept in Python. There it allows program to save the data permanently, not just in memory. To many rare applications use file handling as student record and forms and logs and receipt. Third, how the code works. The writing to a file to open mode, because as the user for student name in student grade in the mode means appends, which adds new data without deleting the old data. This creates a permanent file entry and read mode in a function. View student as program is checked if the file exits to open the file using in grades. Each line from the file and split the line using a comma and display the stored. Fourth, Python concept use. The file opening mode for writing and appending is the hidden function to open file. Simply that statement ensure the file close the properly, and reading writing file is for saving text and looping through for line user for line. If the file extend, check to os.path.exit and to string handling to trip and split to output description. When the program runs, the menu show give 7 names. First, add student. Second, address. And third, date of birthday. And fourth, name of parents. And fifth, contact number for parents. And lastly,